Hi everyone, I'm Shantanu Tomar and welcome back to my YouTube channel Pixelated Art. In today's video, I'm going to draw Bheem as a Dracula. And we will follow the same process as I have already followed in my previous videos. First of all, I will make a rough sketch, then I will refine that sketch, and after that I will fill colors in it. So let's start the video and start doing some sketching here. Eye expression plays a very crucial role in every figure. So for this image, I have decided an angry face. We will also draw some vampire teeth for this image for the face, as he is a Dracula. He looks like a Dracula. So we will draw some vampire teeth here. After completing the face, I will draw a black clock for him. And now is the time for refining the sketch lines. We will refine all the sketch lines. We will draw dark lines over them, and we will finish it very quickly, as it is a very long process, so I'm going to skip this process. While filling the colors, always remember to fill the colors at the corners of the image first, and after that fill the colors in between. It will really help you to not to make the mistakes of spilling the colors. For this image, I have decided to make it more 3D look like. So I'm going to draw some lights and shadows in it. These shadows and lights will be different from my previous videos though. I'm going to draw simple lights and shadows. We will show where the light is coming and where the shadow will form. Only few lights and shadows I'm going to draw. Hope you like this process, and if you like it, please hit the like button, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel Pixar.art. Thank you guys, and see you in my next video.